Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to see Messenger video call camera settings. If you want to know how it's done, this video is for you. In order to successfully do that, what we can do is we can head over right here to a Messenger. So on your Messenger, you can click on the settings icon right here. And when you head over to your settings, you shouldn't be able to see in here some options for your video call camera settings. That's because the settings is on the actual settings itself. So what you can do is you can head over right here to your settings, and then once you have head over to that, scroll down until you can see the options right here for apps. So click on the apps right here, and then on the apps that will open, click on app management, and then scroll down until you reach Messenger. So here's Messenger right here. Click open Messenger. Then you can see in here the options for that. So you can see in here this permission. So if you turn off the camera in this, it will actually remove the video call camera settings for that, as well as some microphone and location. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks!